Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to post on Substack step by step. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for substack.com and log in with your credentials. Once you are in, you will see this kind of interface. Now on the left side, you will see the plus icon. Click on this and click on post. Now here you can add title to your post, for example, Substack. Now add subtitle. So I'm adding post, and here you have to write the description about your post. So I'm adding hey world. Then once it's done, click on the continue button on the top right side. Now here you have to make the changes if you want. Who can view your post? So everyone, or you can also turn on paid subscription, or also allow comments from everyone or no one. So you can add here tags like hashtag new post, so adding tags by this, and also you can upload a photo with this. And then once it's done, click on the send to everyone now, and a pop-up window will appear. This will say that so you have two options, that publish without buttons or add subscription button. So you can choose by your own. So I am taking this publish without buttons. So by click on this, this will open a new page that says ready to start publishing. So click on I agreed, and you have successfully posted a post on Substack. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.